guys.
So my mom sent me some stuff, like some cookies and stuff like that. You know, she always do this when I'm like going back to school. Whenever I like need food and stuff like that, she like send me like care packages. So she wanted me to record a video on like what she got me. She got me 2 boxes of stuff, but Lincoln be so they only like process 1 box. So I got it like right here beside me. So I'm just gonna like show you guys like. Aunt is right here like acting stupid, like she thinks she low, but she just got me some stuff. She went to where did she go? She went to Camelback Resort. Where's Camelback Resort? In Jersey? The Poconos or something?
Oh, she got me sweets.
I guess it's like, is it 2 necklaces in one, or is it 1 necklace? Well, she got me a necklace. I think she got you one, but I'm gonna see. We just gonna see later. And she got me a keychain. This keychain is $7. I would never spend $7 on a keychain.
Candy.
Ooh, she got me Snickers.
And Twix.
You eat Twix? I thought you didn't eat Twix. Oh, it was Kit Kat. You don't eat Kit Kat. But you see it. Oh, she had a Kit Kat. How? You want some tip? I don't even need any more chip. Cookie. Ooh.
Chips Ahoy.
Ritz Bits. The cheesy one.
The cheesy ones.
And then last, some Kool-Aid Jammers. I don't really like strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid Jammer. I like the grape one and the blue one, and no, I don't like cherry. Cherry's nasty. And that's it.
Protect the mommy.
I gotta call her and like thank her for everything. Cause I've been like really spoiled lately. I've been spoiled. So I gotta figure out how I'm supposed to separate these. I have my teeth already.
Take it out of the thing first. No, never mind.
Oh, she said she to give you one. Look, it says I love you. You get one, I get one. Oh, that's so nice what you left. Want to say thank you to her? Come say thank you. Come say thank you. Ma, she said thank you. Come say thank you.
And you got family.
Oh, and she gave me this.
When you got family on the phone, your mom makes you come say hi.
You give me a sweater. What's that? Camelback 2015 A large.
That's cute.
Yeah, I would like wear some tights and some Uggs. Go to class. But anyways, we're done with classes for today. We only had 1 class. I had a 10 o'clock. That was my last class. It was math, so we didn't do anything. And we have a computer science homework that's due tomorrow, and we don't even know what we're doing.
It'll be blowing up his phone.
Man, that's it.
All these niggas.
She is gonna send me another package. Well, she sent me another package. I'm just waiting for like the mailroom to like text my phone and tell me that it's there, so I could like do the second part to this. So that's basically what she got me. She always like I can't say every year, cause I've only been here for a year. But last year she used to send me like big care packages of like junk, like chips, candy. She would like put money in there. She would put water, chips, like stuff like that. Close the door. Like stuff like that. And she went to like a resort or whatever, so she just got me some like keychains and oh yeah, she said to give you a keychain. So which one you want? I want this one, so you gotta get this one.
Let me see. Gracias.
Oh, let's put it on. Oh, you don't like silver, but you gonna like silver today. Oh, this is so cute. It says I love music. Maybe I could put it together.
I need to get some glue.
It says I love you. Like, she will get one piece, I will get one piece. Which one you want? The I love or love you? Which one you want?
Ooh.
Okay, I want the I love. Oh, my mom's so cute. Doobie doobie doobie. What? But we're gonna put a are we gonna put it on the main channel or the vlog channel?
So we flip the script. I think it's one lane.
The main channel. So we have been putting up like vlogs, like a lot of vlogs lately. So just check them out. Give them a like if you. It's not hard to like click. Boop, boop. But the people who have been like really supporting us, like our close friends, family,
Shout
like
them out.
and people have been recognizing us, which is like a shock because we're not like big YouTubers, but like
Much love.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But we thank all of you guys for like everything and watching us and giving us feedback and advice.
Don't
and just like
forget to tell
motivation.
us what y'all want to
Cause
see.
like it's not easy. It's not easy. I didn't think it was gonna be this hard doing like YouTube, but it's hard. It's really hard. So I like whew, for the big YouTubers who have to like do this as like a full-time career, like I don't know how y'all do it. But yeah, it's just the beginning of everything. I just wanted to like show you guys like when mom got me. She was like really like on me to like do this video, so I was just like okay. But yeah.
But,
just
make
like
sure
this video.
Like.
Comment. Subscribe. That's a big one. Subscribe.
On this channel. Subscribe to this channel. If you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, because you will miss out on the good stuff, and everything will be good stuff. And you also
and stay tuned for the vlog channel because homecoming is coming up, so it's gonna be a full week of vlogs and like stuff.
And you know you want to turn that notification bell on. You know you do, because you don't want to have to like tune in every time. You just want to see, or they post it, boom, let me go see. You don't want to have to like scroll and search and all that. So if you already subscribed and you got your bell on, then you good.
And I want to give a shout out to my mommy because she's the best and she spoils me so much and she like deserves the world. And yeah, just like if she's watching this, to thank her for everything. And I'm okay. Oh, and we did a video with Aunt Mom. So stay tuned for that. She's like, her mom's really funny, and that video came out really, really funny. So yeah, you should watch
That'll
it.
probably be posted before this one. They got to be. So if we want to put it right here. So like, if y'all want to see that one,
Oh yeah, we'll put it in the description box below. Or if anything, we're just stay like watch to the end. Do not skip it. Watch it to the end. We will wait till you yeah, and yeah, it will be at the end. All of it, previous videos will be at the end, so just watch it to the end. Watch it to the end.
bye. Have a beautiful time.